What's up guys, Super Geek here. Today I'm going to tell you how you can download and install Elementary OS on Virtualbox or on your old computer to give it a fresh new life. So Elementary OS 7 is based on Ubuntu, which is basically a Linux distro, and it's a really lightweight OS that you can easily install on any computer, any old computer, and give it a fresh new life. This new Elementary OS 7 that got released recently, it comes with a lot of features and it even comes with an app center, so you can easily install more apps from there. And it comes with some new features like multitasking view, picture in picture, do not disturb, and it comes with all the apps that you're going to need for daily driving, like music, a browser, mail client, photos, videos, calendar, files, terminal, code, and camera. So this Elementary OS 7 is ready for everything that you throw at it, and it's going to be a really lightweight OS for your computer. The only system requirements for this Elementary OS 7 is a 64-bit processor. So if your old computer got a 64-bit processor, you're good to go and you can easily install it on that computer. So first I'm going to tell you how you can install it on a Virtualbox, and then I'm going to tell you how you can install it natively on a computer. So the first thing that you have to do is download the Elementary OS image file, and for that all you have to do is open this website called elementary.io. So once you are on this website, all you have to do is just type 0 in this custom field and click on download Elementary OS and click on download to download it for free. However, I recommend you to donate a few bucks to the developers so they can keep this awesome project alive and free for all those who are not able to pay. So you can make your choice from these options, or you can pay any custom amount that you want, that you can afford to donate to the developers. So once you downloaded the image file, all you have to do is download Oracle Virtualbox as well. So you have to go to the official website and install the Windows host, and once you download it, install it on your machine. By the way, all the download links, website links are available in the description below, so you can open it from there. And once you install the Virtualbox, just launch it and you will see a UI just like this. Just click on new, just click on ISO image and select other. Now select the Elementary OS 7 image file that we have downloaded, click on open and give it a name. Let's give it Elementary OS and click on next and keep clicking next and finish. Now the virtual machine has been created. All we have to do is just click on start. So as you can see, this is the initial setup screen. Just select English from here, select US, select and here you have to select erase disk and install. Just click on this button and it will tell you that some part of Elementary OS will not work, but don't worry, just click on install anyway and select the hard drive and select erase and install, select don't encrypt, and the Elementary OS will begin to install. So these are the same methods that you're going to need if you're installing it natively on a computer. You only need to create a bootable flash drive using a software called Rufus, as you can see here. So Rufus is basically a bootable media creation tool that creates a bootable media out of your flash drive, and you have to download it from the official website. Just download the portable version here, and if you open it, it will open right up. You don't need to install anything. And once you open this, just insert any flash drive in your computer. Make sure it's 4 gigs and above. So once you insert the flash drive into the computer, the Rufus software will automatically detect your flash drive and show it here. Okay, again, this step is only for those who want to install it on a computer, not on a VirtualBox. If you want to install it on VirtualBox, just skip this step and keep on following these steps. So yeah, do not do this if you are installing it on a VirtualBox. So once your flash drive is selected, just click on select and select the image file, click on start, click on OK a couple times. Okay, also make sure that your flash drive does not have any important files on it, because it's going to be wiped during this installation. Okay, now let's get back to our virtual machine and see how things are going there. So as you can see, the elementary OS 7 has been installed on VirtualBox, and all you need to do is just restart device. Just click on here. As you can see, elementary OS is completely installed, and you can set up from here. Just give it a name, choose a password, confirm that password, and give device a name, and click on finish setup. Enter your password again, tap enter. Oh wait, type your password again and hit enter. So now we're inside, and you can just go through all this basic setup to personalize, and just click on get started. And now we're in the desktop UI. So on the top, it got the taskbar. It has this application menu. This is the calendar bar. This is the connection. This is volume, media. This is your battery percentage, and this is notifications, and this is the system management. And here is the dock that you get, just like in macOS, and it looks really good. The best part is that you can easily change the display settings to fit your machine. See, now it fits perfectly on the virtual machine, and if you want to go full screen, it will look really good. So this is how you can install elementary OS 7 on your computer or in a VirtualBox. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.